sowing season for seeds for seedlings is beginning. You have surely noticed that some store-bought seeds are colored green, blue, or another color. These are seeds that have been treated with biostimulants, nutrients, or even pesticides. The substance with which the seed is coated serves to protect the plant during the very first days of life. These are the most sensitive phases: germination, emergence, and initial growth. The main goal of seed treatment is protection against diseases and pests. In an effort to protect seed, people have used various methods since ancient times. Even today, many gardeners prefer natural seed treatments. Seed disinfection in chamomile tea is one of the oldest and most popular natural methods used by gardeners. It is not as aggressive as chemical agents, and it is very effective for those who want healthy seedlings. Here is a clear explanation of how and why this method is used. Make a strong chamomile tea. Use 1 tea bag for about 2 deciliters of water, approximately 6.8 fluid ounces, or about 0.75 cups. The tea should be stronger than the one you would normally drink. Cooling is a crucial step. Never put seed into boiling water because you will cook it and kill the embryo. Wait until the tea becomes lukewarm. The temperature must be below 40 degrees Celsius, 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the tomato or pepper seeds into the tea. Each variety should go into a separate glass so they do not get mixed up. Keep tomato seeds in the tea for about 12 to 24 hours. Pepper seeds germinate more slowly and have a harder shell, so they can stay in the tea for a full 24 hours. After removing the seeds from the tea, do not rinse them with clean water. Briefly dry them on a paper towel. And then sow them into the prepared substrate. A common situation is that we sow seed, and it either does not sprout at all or sprouts very poorly. Chamomile tea can also help with a simple germination test. Seeds that remain floating on the surface after a few hours are usually empty, and the chances of germination are very small. These seeds should be removed and discarded. Seeds that sink to the bottom are healthy and full. Chamomile contains specific compounds such as flavonoids and essential oils, which have antifungal and antibacterial effects. It destroys fungal spores located on the surface of the seed, which can cause damping off of seedlings. Damping off is a disease in which the stem of a young plant becomes thin and weak, and the plant simply falls over. Warm liquid up to 40 degrees Celsius, 104 degrees Fahrenheit, also helps activate the seed. The hard shell of the seed, especially in peppers, softens, which speeds up the germination process. Chamomile also strengthens seed immunity. It is believed to mildly stimulate the embryo, giving it a better start during the first days of growth. Do you also disinfect your seeds, or do you prefer to buy already treated seed? There are other natural methods for seed disinfection as well. One of them is the use of ash. Seed potatoes are disinfected with ash exactly at the place where they were cut. This helps protect them from diseases and pests. Potatoes treated this way are planted directly into the soil. Ash also helps protect potatoes from the Colorado potato beetle. Onions and garlic can also be protected with ash. They are either soaked in an ash solution before planting or the bulbs are simply dipped into ash. This method protects them from the onion fly and other pests. One of the more unusual techniques is the use of salt for seed disinfection. Onions or garlic are soaked in a salt solution before planting. This provides good protection against the onion fly and other pests. For tomato and pepper seeds, a garlic solution can also be used. To prepare it, crush 2 to 3 garlic cloves. Pour 100 milliliters of water, about 3.4 fluid ounces, over them and let the mixture sit for a maximum of 24 hours. After that, strain the liquid and soak the seeds in the solution for about 30 minutes. There are also chemical agents that can be used for seed disinfection at home. One of the most common is potassium permanganate, a well-known antiseptic and disinfectant that can be purchased at a pharmacy. Disinfecting seeds in a potassium permanganate solution, often called hypermangan, is a common gardening practice. This process helps kill pathogens such as fungi and bacteria on the surface of the seed, reducing the risk of disease. It works against diseases, but not against pests. Potassium permanganate can be used to disinfect tubers, bulbs, and small seeds, such as tomatoes and peppers. Here is how it is usually done. Prepare a very weak solution, light pink in color. The solution must not be dark or purple because a high concentration can damage the seed. Usually, only a few crystals per 1 liter of water, about 1.06 quarts, are needed to achieve the correct color. Soak the seeds in the solution for 15 to 20 minutes. After treatment, rinse the seeds thoroughly under clean, cold running water. Finally, dry the seeds on a paper towel before sowing. Potassium permanganate can also be used to disinfect soil and gardening tools. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, share it with fellow gardeners, and subscribe for more practical growing tips. Watch the next video to keep your seedlings healthy and strong.